Don't scroll down for your own good. Come closer. I'll tell you a secret that will change your life. And don't tell anyone about this, okay? What would you do if you knew in advance the market would give reversal? Sounds like magic, right? I know. Let's check the Euro USD chart first. It's incredible, isn't it? And we got this trade during the live broadcast. How do I know the price will make a reversal from here? It's a sniper entry and very, very easy, $9,000. Let's keep the Euro USD pair watching together. Yes, it's almost done. Okay, close the position right now. Yes, $9,134 for one trade for one day. It's amazing, really amazing. And let me show you what you would have caught if you had this system before. If you had this system before, you would buy Bitcoin for $67,000. And you could sell Bitcoin at $124,000. How is that? Isn't that a very profitable trade? Bitcoin traders are facing tough times. Many have lost everything they had. Many traders said goodbye to the market, never to return. It was a very sad week. Only those with a truly reliable system survived, like us. Closed long positions and switched to short positions on October 27. It wasn't coincidence or luck. Now look at the chart. The indicator is giving us the signal. After retesting, we are all out. Just watch patiently. The indicator automatically determines the sales area. And now waiting for retest. Hold, and now sell them all. If you had Tradiator trade system, you would be in the group that was profitable this week, not lost. And you can check my new idea about Bitcoin from my X account. How about the gold? Let's recheck it together. If you had used the Tradiator system, you would have bought gold at $3,280 on 30 June 2025. That would be a perfect swing trade, and you could sell it anywhere you want with a very high profit margin. Tradiator trading system is customized for all currency pairs. Euro, GBP, DXY, all Forex pairs, Bitcoin, altcoins, cryptocurrencies, stock markets, NASDAQ, every market. That's as a system works on every markets, works anywhere where buying and selling can be done. This set includes 3 essential training courses and 6 indicators you won't find anywhere else. Don't worry, you won't be confused or overwhelmed. You'll understand them easily and be ready in no time. Be sure that this is the opportunity of your lifetime, the one thing in the world that you do not want to miss. And please don't compare me to funny trader influencers on YouTube. I have been working as a fund manager in the institutional investment sector and investment banks for over 15 years. So don't forget, trade is not my hobby. It is my real profession. And this set is the most precious treasure you will ever see in your life. This set is a perfect summary of every teaching and experience in my life. So please do yourself a favor for the first time in your life and gift yourself the Tradiator trading set. You will never regret it. And see you in training. Goodbye.
Rags to riches in a flash. Bought himself a ton of trash. Gold-plated toilet bowls, diamond shoes with filthy soles. his mind. Silver spoon, but nothing kind. Dollar signs in his veins. We're all just pawns in his game. Empty dreams he couldn't keep. Rats and roaches make their home in the kingdom he's alone.